everyone, it's Lauren, and today I'm going to talk to you about my zero waste skincare and makeup routine. Before I go into my routine, I want to address the makeup industry. So the products that I use in my everyday makeup routine, they aren't perfect, they're not completely package free, however, they are the best products that are available right now. Before I get into my makeup routine, I have a really simple, easy skincare routine that I do. It starts with an organic cotton washcloth, and then I'll use an activated charcoal bar soap that my friend Tara from Meow Meow Tweet makes. It helps to remove impurities and keep my skin from breaking out. And then finally, I'll moisturize with a refillable moisturizer that you can refill at Package Free Shop. If your skin is really dehydrated or thirsty, your skin will overproduce oil to overcompensate for the dryness. So using an oil-based moisturizer will actually hydrate your skin and balance it so it won't be super oily. So now that my skin is washed, dried, and moisturized, I can jump into my makeup routine. I like to keep it really simple. I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but what I do wear is whatever I'm feeling. The first product that I'll use is a foundation. I love it because it helps to balance my skin and provide a layer between me and New York City to help keep my skin fresh. And the product that I use, I love because the packaging is 100% recyclable. The next thing I'll do is apply a highlighter. I do this in two different ways. One, I use a lip balm, which I'll use on my lips as an actual lip balm, and then I'll put some actually on my cheekbones to act as a highlighter. The second thing that I'll do is if I'm going out, I'll use an actual highlighter that's made for highlighting. I'll put it on my brow bone, my cheekbone, and my inner eyes. The next product I'll use is a blush, which helps me to look alive. The brand that I use is the same brand as the highlighter, which is totally refillable. One of the last things I'll do if I'm going out and I want to feel a little bit fancy is I'll add a lip, and I just make sure the lipstick that I'm using is totally recyclable or refillable. My last step of my makeup routine pays homage to my southern mama, who always used to use a toothbrush with some hairspray to groom her brows. Instead of using a plastic toothbrush, I will use my bamboo toothbrush. Before I compost it, I'll use the mangled bristles with a little bit of water or oil-based moisturizer, and it works great to tame my eyebrows. That is my zero waste skincare and makeup routine. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.